Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the different dialog boxes in JavaScript. As you all know, JavaScript is a client-side scripting language and there are three types of dialog boxes in JavaScript. So in this lecture we are going to talk about the alert dialog box and then we see the example program of alert dialog box. Okay, before starting what is meant by alert dialog box, let's see what is meant by dialog box. Okay, so there are three types of dialog boxes supported in JavaScript and these are alert, confirm and prompt dialog box. We can discuss all the three types of dialog box with their example in separate lectures. Okay, so there are three types of dialog boxes in JavaScript: alert, confirm and prompt. These dialog boxes can be used to perform specific tasks such as raise an event, to get confirmation of an event or an input, and to get input from the user. Okay, now the today's topic is alert dialog box. Let's see what is meant by alert dialog box and syntax of alert dialog box. Okay, so alert dialog box is used to provide a warning message to user. It is one of the most widely used dialog box in JavaScript and it has only one button and that is a OK to continue and select the next task. Okay, so alert dialog box is the most widely used dialog box in JavaScript. It is used to provide warning message to user and it has only one button, that is a OK. When user click on that OK button, it means that user wants to continue and select the next task. So the syntax of alert dialog box is alert in bracket message and then end with semicolon. Okay, now let's move on to the example of alert dialog box. Okay, so here I open Notepad++ software to write a program of JavaScript. You can use any of the text editor like Notepad, TextPad, then Edit Plus, etc. Okay, so let's start from the basic tags of HTML. So the first tag is HTML, then the next is head. Inside head there is a title tag. For example, write down the title as alert dialog box and then end of title tag, then opening script tag, because inside head we can write a script tag to write a code of JavaScript. Then there is a end of script tag, after that end of head tag and then opening body tag, then closing body tag and then closing HTML tag. Okay, so this is a basic structure of HTML document. Let's first save the document. Okay, let's save it as alert.html. Okay, now let's write the basic code inside a body tag. You can use heading tag or paragraph tag as you want. For example, here I write down heading tag 2 and then write down any message. For example, hello world and then end of h2 heading tag 2. Then again I am going to write again the heading tag 2, welcome to JavaScript and then end of h2. Okay, h3, click on the following button, then end of h3. Okay, so basically here I write down some of the informations inside a heading tag. Okay, now run the program. Okay, so this is a heading tag 2, this is also heading tag 2 and this is a h3, that is heading 3 tag. Now let's insert one button. To insert a button, write down the code, that is input type equal to in double quotation button. Suppose I want to display some of the text on button, then write down the property, that is a value property, value equal to click me, then double quotation complete, and then when user click on the button an event is generated and that event is on click event. So write down on click equal to, for example, write down the function name as show, end with semicolon and double quotation and then end of input tag. Okay, so here we insert one button inside our form. Now these are the properties, that is a type, value and on click. These are the properties of input tag. Value property means we have to display some text on button and that text is a click me. And when user click on the button, then it calls a method, that is a show method. Okay, so we write down the code of show method inside the script tag. So let's first again run the program. Okay, so this is a button. When we click on the button, when user clicks on the button, the dialog box appears and that dialog box is a alert dialog box. And for that we have to write down the code of JavaScript inside a script tag. So for this, write down the function, that is a function show, which we call here, that is a show function. Then inside show function, write down alert in bracket. This is a alert dialog box. Double quotation complete, bracket complete, end with semicolon. Okay, so when user clicks on the button, then a show function will be called, and inside the show function we call the alert dialog box. The alert dialog box appears and it shows the message as this is a alert dialog box. Now again save the program and then refresh the page. Okay, so click on this button. Okay, when user click on the button, the show function called, and inside show function we call again the dialog box, that is a alert dialog box, and which has a message, this is an alert dialog box. So as we can see earlier, alert dialog box has only one button, that is a OK. OK means user wants to continue or proceed to the next task. So click on OK. Now again when we click on button, again the alert dialog box will appear. Okay, so this is a simple program of alert dialog box. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, then let me know in the comment section.